2, 4, 6, 8. Who do we appreciate? Arithmetic sequences! This set of numbers is an arithmetic sequence because it is a progression of numbers where a constant d is added to each term. This constant is called the common difference. In this case, the common difference is 2 because we add 2 to the previous term to get the next number. We can explain all progressions of this type with a single formula. an equals a1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d, where an is the value of the nth term, a1 is the value of the first term, and n is the nth number in the sequence. So if we made 2, 4, 6, and 8 into parts of an infinite sequence, a1 would be 2, the common difference d would be 2, and we could find the value of any term in that sequence by using this formula. So say if we wanted to find the 100th term, we would do an equals 2 plus the quantity of 100 minus 1 times 2, and then we would get 200. We can also use those same variables to find the sum of a finite arithmetic sequence. If we have any set of numbers in an arithmetic sequence, such as a1, a2, a3, and so on until we get an, then we can find the sum of all those terms with one simple formula. This formula is n times the quantity of a1 plus an divided by 2. From here, we can substitute an for our original arithmetic sequence equation. An equals a1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. So we get n over 2 times the quantity of 2a1 plus n minus 1 times d. Now let's try it out. Let's say a grocer makes a display of cans in which the top row has 1 can and each lower row has 2 more cans than the row above. If the display has 10 rows, how many cans does it have in total? We can solve this in 2 ways, the explicit formula way or with the second sum formula. So we know that the first row has 1 can, and the second row, if we add 2, has 3, and then so on and so forth. So eventually we get to A10 because we have 10 rows. So how many cans does this equal? Well, we know A1 is 1 and D equals 2 because that's the number we add. So if we use the explicit formula, we'll do A10 equals 1 plus 10 minus 1 times 2. So then that will give us 19, and then we plug it back into the first sum formula to get 10 times the quantity of 1 plus 19 divided by 2, which gives us 100. If we use the second sum equation that we talked about, it'll give us 10 divided by 2 times the quantity of 2 times 1 plus the quantity of 10 minus 1 times 2. And then this will also give us 100. So the total number of cans that this grocery display has is 100. That's all for now. Thank you.